Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another review. I actually have two different products here today, some viral art supplies, and yeah, I'm going to go over some paint pens here. So first up I have Grabby. This set has, it comes in this little plastic container and it comes with 20 different acrylic markers. They are brush tip. It says water-based ink, non-toxic. Let's see here. Multi-surface, so you can use these on glass, ceramic, porcelain, wood, rubber, metal, fabric, stone, paper, and more. And these ones you do have to shake up a little bit. I'm just showing because they've been sitting for a few days. You can see the separation, but it is really easy. You just give them a little shake and then they're good to go. And then also included in this set, you get the drawing pad. There's 20 sheets in here. And it only comes in the set though, because I was curious if you could buy this on like its own, but I'm pretty sure I've only seen it available with the markers. And here they do include a little swatch sheet there, so you could do it on the white and the black. And then I have a few different squiggles and lines here so you can see the different variation. Also, I have a few samples of some artwork here. But again, I'm going to always shake them up before you use them. And I would definitely, I just have mine stored in those small glass containers. They're actually just votive candle holders from the Dollar Tree. So you can put them standing upright. I would not recommend just like leaving them around in your drawer in case they drip a little bit. And there's some instructions that are on the pen. It is a tiny bit hard to see. It's in silver writing. It says shake, write, and recap. But here I'm just going to do a sample of a quick and easy little pumpkin just so you can see. There's only one brown included in this set. So we have a light brown here. We have a yellow, a few different blues, two different greens. You have a pink and orange, a lighter orange, like a brighter hot pink, a gray, a black, and a white. So there is a wide variety of colors included. These grabby ones, I noticed though, they do take a tiny bit longer to dry than the ones I'm going to be showing next here. But one of the cool things, if you wanted to, say you're going to put down, I have the orange there, and then I have this deeper orange that was part of the set here. So I'm just going to blend in some shadow areas, and then I'm going to show you how, while it's still wet here, you can go in with the brush if you wanted to, and then smooth out some of your lines, which is pretty cool. I didn't even know you could do that, but I did see that in a different video, and I was curious to try it out here for myself, and yeah, it worked out pretty well. And it will pick up a little bit of the paint though, so I really wouldn't add too much water. Just going to focus on blending here. And after that dries up a tiny bit, I'm going to go back ahead for some different shadows here, just a little bit with the brown, and then a little bit here with some of the creases up top. And then these two different greens. The other one there is a little bit more of a bluish tone. Just showing the different ones that are included here. So really you only have two greens to work with. And I'm just going to show you both of them with some vines and leaves here. This color's a little bit more of a teal. It is still pretty though. There's different variations of the grabby markers too. Some are fine point, and then some of the thicker ones. And then I don't remember how many markers were included in the other sets, but they definitely have a lot to choose from. So I'm going to let that little pumpkin dry off on the side. Let's clean up my desk here a little bit. If anyone was curious, I just wanted to show really quick, there is no transfer on the back, no show through, which is always really nice. Next up, we have more paint markers from the brand Transon. This one has a few more. This was 36 different colors. These markers are dual tip, so you have a brush tip on one end and then the dot one on the other. What's really nice about these is that you do not have to shake them at all, and these definitely dry a lot faster than the grabby ones. I'm going to continue here just to show a few more colors and swatches, and then we're going to move on to some actual artwork. As we're closing in here towards the end, I wanted to say that both sets are really nice. If you're looking for maybe less markers and the paper included, I would go with the Grabby, but if you don't want to have to shake them every single time and you want a lot more fun colors, then you can definitely go with the Transcend. They have a wide variety of sets to choose from as well. But yep, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned to next time.